Hi everyone and welcome back. We're making the iconic KOTA. We'll tell you a bit more about the famous KOTA later in the video. A great KOTA starts with the chips. Not fries, proper, thick cut, salt and vinegar chips. It's the backbone of the entire operation. We cut them thick and chunky on purpose, because a KOTA chip needs to survive the sauces, meat and gravity. Now for the barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is sweet, savory and tangy. The sauces of a KOTA is the glue that keeps everything together. Please do us a massive favor and click on the subscribe and like button. We would love to have you part of our channel. The chips now go into the hot oil. Fry them on medium to high heat until they are golden, crispy and tender and soft on the inside. You already know what's next. Salt and vinegar. That sharp, nose-tingling, mouth-watering smell. It tells your brain something good is about to happen. Salt and vinegar slab chips aren't optional in a KOTA. They're traditional. They cut through the richness and wake up your taste buds. Sure.
Perfect.
Now for the bread. This is where we take a shot left, because our KOTA starts with a homemade sandwich loaf and not the one from the shop. The full recipe is in the video's description. You're looking for a loaf with a strong crust but soft on the inside.
So sag.
Nou is nou so 'n kwart. We're cutting it into the iconic quarters, the same shape that gave the KOTA its name. KOTA comes from the word quarter, a quarter loaf of bread. It comes from the townships of South Africa, especially from the provinces of Limpopo and Gauteng. At first, it was simple. A quarter loaf of bread, cut open, hollowed out and filled with whatever you can afford that day. It existed for one reason only, to feed people properly. But like all great food, it evolved. Each vendor added their own touch, each customer had their own order. The KOTA became more than food, it became a culture.
Dis fantasties.
Nou gaan hy vier toe.
Ons het nie hierdie nodig nie, nee.
Nee, ons het dit nodig.
Dink jy so?
Ja, ons het dit nodig.
My goodness.
The bread is toasted over the fire. This isn't just for looks. The fire adds flavor and structure. Toasting the bread prevents the KOTA from collapsing. The protein part of our KOTA is cheesy rations and a patty made from great quality Boerewors.
Dis kaas.
Yay.
Then comes the polony. Yes, polony. People like to pretend polony isn't important until it's missing. It's soft. It's nostalgic. It belongs here.
Dink jy het genoeg goeders vir die een broodjie wat ons maak?
Ja, ek dink so. En daar kom nog atchar en goed by.
The rations are split open and laid flat on the braai. Next to it is the Boerewors burger patty. It's spiced, it's juicy, and smells like a Saturday afternoon. We grill them hot and fast to get some color and flavor in them. And somewhere in the middle of all of this, an egg gets fried as well. Now it's time to build our KOTA. Spicy mango atchar. Chunky, spicy, tangy, and unmistakably South African. Then the salt and vinegar slab chips, packed in properly and pressed down gently. Now for the sauces. The iconic pink sauce. Our homemade barbecue sauce. And some sweet and tangy mustard. Fresh tomato and onion slices for balance, crisp and fresh contrast. Now comes the meats. Russian, Boerewors patty and polony.
Ah, dis warm.
Sorry.
Ah, dis warm.
Die rations. Hulle is veronderstel om...
Tussen die patty en die...
Ja.
Okay. Bear with me.
En nou...
And another round of sauces. A KOTA isn't fancy. It's messy. It's heavy. It's honest. It's a KOTA.
Dis nou 'n KOTA. Ons het hom geken toe ons groot geword as 'n Spathlo.
Ja.
'n KOTA voel vir my of dit eers die afgelope 15 jaar is. Voordat dit ons hom geken as 'n Spathlo. Chips, atchar, brood
Die hele yskas.
en ration. Dit is hoe en later het hy nou meer kleurvol en geurvol geraak. OK, ek wil net wys dit is 'n regte KOTA want jy kan hom optel en met hom loop, hy val nie uit mekaar uit nie. So, dis 'n takeaway. So,
Okay.
ek dink nie hy's te groot nie.
Wel, okay. Dan af. Dan af wie jy vra. Want jy moet hom kan soos 'n burger optel en hap, is dit nie?
Nee, nie wendig nie. OK, ek dink ons moet hom sny.
Okay.
Kom ons stoot net alles gou weer 'n bietjie op een plek. Kom ons gebruik die boonste broodjie soos die Italianers. Ek gaan hom gebruik om die sous mee op te vee.
Ja.
OK.
Dis wat net alles wat verkeerd gaan, hoor.
Gaan ons cross section try. Wow.
Wow.
Ja, nee, ek dink hy het gewerk, hoor. Sjoe.
Hier is die lappie.
Jy het 'n nat handdoek nodig vir hierdie een.
Ja.
OK,
Dit was 'n nuwe lappie gewees.
kom ons.
O,
Ek sal hom nou kry. Ho, ho.
dis hy. Dit doen. Nee, maar. Jou hele gesig is net saus.
Ja, sjoe. Sjoe.
Okay, ek gaan probeer. Ek weet nie. Baie ladylike om te eet.
Dit is hoor as 'n sophisticated maaltyd.
Okay. Moet nie. Ha.
Net daar so. Ja, en dan het jy genoeg sous, as hy so. Sjoe.
Ek weet nie hoe om pas te draai daarbij.
Hier sit maar hy werk. Jo.
Ek kan nie insien hoe hy nie gaan werk nie. Hy
Yes.
weet jy wat, ek slaap vuil. Okay. Nee.
Kom kry 'n happie hierso, chom. Kom kry 'n happie. Kom staan hierdie kant by mamma. Jy moet daai kant kom.
Nee, kyk, ek gaan weet
Ek
jy
wil
wat.
nie vir jou hande hê.
Dan gaan dit nie werk nie, chom.
Hier is just 'n stukkie polony.
Maar hierdie ding is baie lekker. Sjoe. Die atchar, die chips, die ration, die sout en asyn chips, die eie, die tomatie. Die souse. Kyk hy's messy, hoor. Jy moet die essence van hierdie dis is die brood, die atchar en die slap chips. Dit is die essence. Al die ander goeders maak hom meer. Dis gemaak om magies vol te maak.
Dis messy.
Messy en dis lekker. Dis dit is lekker.
Met brood.
Tuisgebakte brood.
Hy is so getoast op die vuur, dis baie lekker.
Ek kan net nie ophou nie. Ek moet nou laaste happie dan. Dis net lekker.
Baie lekker. Dis champion.
Baie lekker. Kom ons gaan.
Thank you all for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe and share this with your friends and leave us a comment. Take care. and goodbye everyone.
Bye.